Good morning. Hello, my name is Jordan Hansen. Today I'm talking about a new feature we have. It's called CSV batch upload. Someone reached out on email. This is kind of silly. Like, I built this product. I was like really pumped. I thought, API, that's going to be the way to go. I'm going to build this. People are going to be able to use it with the API. It's going to work really well. Which is really good for developers or teams that have a development team. Someone reached out and they're like, hey, we really want to use your product, but it'll probably take us a while because we're going to hire a development team. Is there any chance you could set up like a batch upload? And I was like, duh. That's so stupid of me because that's so many more people that don't need to build an API. If they don't want to build an integration, they just want the owner information, then building a batch makes a ton of sense. And it's not that difficult because it can still just leverage the API. So that's what this is. You log into app.cobaltintelligence.com. You come over here to this batch section right here, and it has a nice little thing that says, hey, you can download a CSV template right here, and then you can go ahead and update the file and the things you want. So we can just go like that. We're going to show how to do it. I'm going to come over here. See, that code's really small. We'll make it bigger. Don't worry. Right here. So it's going to download this template right here with 3 different fields: business name, SOS ID or entity ID, and then the state. And then you can come and add whatever you want in here. So I'm going to come over here and say, okay, well, let's say I want pizza, but I'm not going to, you don't have to submit an SOS ID. That can be empty. No worries. And then we're going to say, sure, North Carolina, that's fine. And then we're going to go over here and say, oh, there's no, this one's going to be, wait, do I even need quotes? I don't think I need quotes, do I? I'm pretty sure I don't. Like this. Comma separated values don't need quotes. Now the state is going to have to be lower camel case like this, or lowercase abbreviation like this. For some reason, I don't know. That's what I chose. Right there. And then we're gonna get the business name right there, like that. And we're gonna, what are we gonna call this? What business should this be? Pirates. Like that. Right there. So you don't need the SOS ID. If you do have it, you can send it, certainly. So here's our template, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to say, okay, let's upload that. We're going to go choose our file, and we're going to say, where is that even? It's going to be here, SDK somewhere in here, right there, and then, oh, it's not there. It's my downloads, right there, SOS template. There we go. So here we have this SOS template right here. We're going to hit the upload file, and it's going to upload to there. And there we go. And this will run and it processes on a batch, and then you can come and download it. And so how it really happens behind the scenes, if you care while we're waiting anyway, is every minute it'll pick it up. In fact, let's look at our time here. Probably about 30 seconds. It'll pick it up and then it'll start working on it. It'll process it. And if it takes longer, it'll just keep going. And they'll just process these and then just take it down when it's ready. So here we go. Not yet. I felt like I said about 30 seconds. Probably about 15 seconds more. I mean, 2 should be pretty quick. What states do we have? North Carolina, West Virginia. So, and this is how it works. So it's just like this. You can refresh this or refresh the page to make sure you get updated here. Oh, you don't see it, but look, see? There's a download thing right there. And this will just use your API usage. Okay, we should be getting, I say now we're in progress. So any second now it should be finished. Here I can just sit here. We can sing if you want. We can do what we want. Anyway, I feel like this is a good helper thing for where we're at. Because if you don't have API, you can go ahead and, if you don't have someone to build out an API or develop that, you can use this batch and still get the same results. You can put up to 1,000 at a time. There it is. It's done. Let's download it. Download this file over here. And look at that. We got information. All the stuff we want. We got, here, we'll format it nicely here. There we go. State of registration. We got agent street, agent name. Look at that. Beautiful. See how well that worked? We just made that up. Those aren't business that I pre-planned, people. Okay, that's it. This is the batch CSV upload CSV new feature we have. Hopefully that can be helpful for you. That'll just build your API key like normal. There's definitely a trial. We have 100 API requests a month. Feel free to use them. And that's it. Thank you. Hopefully it can be useful for you.